Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author and welcome to my quilting studio. I just received the best mail that I could possibly get. It says, today is a great day and boy is it ever, because this is the Pink Door Fabrics box that I get, and it is full of Tula Pink's newest line. And it has all kinds of cool goodies in here, and I haven't even opened it yet, so I'm going to open it with you. So let's just go ahead and do that real quick. Yay, I'm so excited. I have been waiting for this for so long. Oh my gosh. So it comes with a pattern from Sunshine. Let me try and say that again. Sunshine Sisters handbag. It is, oh, these bags are cute. We're going to have to make one of these. Oh, so cute. And then we have, this says, welcome to box number 6 of our Full Moon Forest 2 collection. This tells us everything that's inside of our box. Oh, this is cool. Mini bolts. Organize your fabric stash with mini bolts. So you put your fabrics, you wind them around on these. Let's see. On these boards. Kind of like the comic board stuff. So you put your fabric around that, and then you're able to store it upright. And I think this has the base with it. I'm not 100% positive, but I think it does. Let's see. It looks like it does. So awesome. So I'll have to get that set up and then show that to you. But that is really cool. Okay, so let's see. This is a great box. I am so excited about this. We've got some Full Moon Forest Big Tree webbing. Oh, that is really beautiful. This pink is so incredibly beautiful. We have 70-inch tape with easy feed end and 8 zipper pulls. The zipper pulls are purple. Oh, how cute. Now we have a little bee keychain, which is like from Tula Pink. Oh, look, it almost matches my tattoo. Almost. Oh, I love that. That's so cute. And then we have hexagon paper pack for, I believe, English paper piecing. And we have some ribbons from Renaissance Ribbons. I love when I get this box. I just have to tell you. I love it, love it, love it. Oh, this is cool. This is a bobbin. It's called a bobsled, and it is a bobbin flip-up storage tray for needles and for your bobbins. Let's open this up real quick. Look at that. And it comes with these bobbins. How cool. And then this flips up. Petey, you have got to stop this. You got to get down. And then we have, this is the part that flips up for your needle. There you go, just like that. Oh, that is so cool. And then you stick your needles in there. You can store them in there. But this is great for having it next to your sewing machine. Oh my gosh, you can store all your bobbins like that. That's so cool. I love that. Okay, here's time for the big reveal. So this is the solids that come with it. Now I order the half yard bundle. You can get this in a fat quarter, a half yard, and a full yard. And then I'm trying to think, I think you can get it in charm packs. I'm pretty sure, but I'm not 100% positive. I will link down below in the description box where you can get this box from Pink Door Box. Like I said, it comes quarterly, and it comes every time that Tula Pink releases a new fabric line. And so this one is Full Moon Forest 2. These are the solids. And then here are the fabrics. Oh, so pretty. So beautiful. Should we open them? I think we should. Petey, no. Okay. Oh, so cool. I almost hate to untie this because it's so pretty. But we're going to do it anyway because I want to show you what these fabrics look like. Look at this one. This one is the owl. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, look at that. You can get these in fabric stores now, but the Pink Door Box, you have to order that. You have to pre-order it. Those there once we're done. Here's another. This is just a really pretty floral coordinating fabric that goes with this. All of her fabrics coordinate with one another. I love that about Tula Pink because then I don't have to guess, you know, what's going to match and whatnot. I already know. Sorry, it's like a zoo around here. Got my sister-in-law's dog here that we're dog sitting. My kitten is all over the place, and my dog wants to run around upstairs. So that's what you're hearing. Anyway, so here's some more fabric. And this has the lemur, or not the lemur, but the little monkeys and the owls, the parrot. Looks like the squirrel. So cute. So very, very cute. Oh, and the kitty, disco kitty. Love it. Love it. Some more coordinating fabric. Oh, this one's pretty with the bunny. I really like that. That is so cute. It's called Hoppy Go Lucky is the name of that one. Some more coordinating stuff. And like I said, this is the half yard bundle that I'm getting. So you can get it in a full yard bundle if you want to. Look at this. This one has the bees on it. Really, really cute. Love it. I didn't even plan that my tattoo would look like that, to be honest. It just does. I'm kind of surprised, but I'm loving it. So there's that. Some green coordinating fabric. I cannot wait to cut into this and start making something with it. Oh my gosh. This is that pattern that has the monkeys, the kitties, the squirrels, and everything on it. Again, it's just in a different color. There's that one. Look at this. This one has the fish on it. Isn't that cool? I love it. I love these colors. They're so beautiful and vibrant. There's that. You see, you get so much fabric with this. Again, here's the Hoppy Bunny in a different color. Hoppy Go Lucky, that's what it's called. the owl in another color. So beautiful. I am in love with this. There is a new fabric line that she's coming out with. I think it's called, I know I'm not going to say this right. I want to call it Gray Line, but I'm not sure. And it's got all kinds of very, very pretty Arctic animals on it. But that's not releasing until later this year. This one, what is this one? I can't tell what this is. It looks like it has eyes, but I can't tell what it is. I don't know. But I do like it. Again, same patterns, just in different colors. The fish, flowers, the bees in a different color. I like these purples. Those are really very pretty. These again, I have got to figure out what that is. What those eyes are. It looks like oh, it's the squirrel. It's the squirrel. That's what that was. Okay. There's that. Oh, this one's cute. Look at that. I like that pattern. Check out the bunny pattern here. The gray. Beautiful. And then we get into the whites. And I know these are really hard to see. I don't know if you can see the patterns on them. They're almost like a motif pattern on them. Wow. Gorgeous. All right. So that is the Pink Door fabric box. So like I said, this is a subscription. You have to pre-order it. I will link down below in the description box where you can get this box from. I will also link down below in the description box where you can purchase these fabrics currently right now, because you cannot purchase them through the Pink Door box because those are sold out and they are limited. But if you're interested in getting the next Tula Pink release, then you'll definitely want to go to their website and check this out. That is it for me today. If you would like to follow me on social media, please check down below in the description box. You'll find all those links. Make sure that you give this video a like. If you like it, please feel free to share because sharing is caring. Don't forget to click the little bell. You get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video. And keep on crafting. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.